is Dr. Bharadwaz. I am a subject matter expert in clinical interactive response systems. These are also known as IWR systems or randomization and trial supply management systems or RTSM systems. So today we are going to discuss on the important topic. This is one of the basic topics within IRT. So we will understand everything about a kit. So we will discuss in depth about a kit. At the end of the session, you should be able to understand what is a kit, various types of kits, and how important are the concepts of kits within IRT. What is a kit? A medicinal product that has undergone all the stages of production, including packing in its final container, and it is labeled and it is ready to be given to a subject. This can be a medicinal product, can be a medicine or a device. So that is ready to be given to a subject at the site. Then what is a kit type? The name, this is a name given to the group of kits with the same ingredients. This is unblinded information. Basically, if you especially when you map the kit type to a kit id or a subject id, then it becomes an unblinded information. So you have to be very careful while revealing the kit type in a clinical environment or especially in an RTSM or IRT environment. So what is a kit id? Kit id is an identifier given to an individual kit, and this is a blinded information. So where do you give this kit id? Kit id is mapped to a kit type. And where is this present? This is present in the kit list. So this kit is assigned to a subject for a particular visit. So this is considered as a blinded information. These kits are classified based on different criteria or different parameters. One of the important parameters is based on control. Based on control, kits are classified into test kits and control kits. These control kits are again classified into active control kits and placebo control kits. What is a test kit? Test kit contains a drug or a device which is under investigation. So for which we are trying to elicit pharmacokinetics and pharmacodynamics, and also we are trying to get the safety and efficacy information about the kit. Basically, this is a kit that is under investigation, that is called a test kit. And what is a control kit? Control kit is given to a subject to compare against the test kit. So when you say that a particular treatment or a kit is inferior to something or equal to something or non-inferior to something, you have to have some comparator. When the kit is classified based on the comparator, so it is called control kit. There are two types of control kits. One is active control and one is placebo control. In active control, the control kit is the control kit contains ingredients that are approved by the regulatory authorities, given for the same indication as test kit. For example, you are conducting you have got a drug which is promising for relieving fever. So if in an active control situation scenario, you will be comparing it with the active control. Active control means another paracetamol. It is already available in the market, it is already approved by the regulatory authorities. So you will be comparing the paracetamol with the new drug, that is an active control. Then what is a placebo control? A placebo control is a kit which is given in a clinical scenario. It is a control kit which doesn't have any active ingredients, or it's a dummy kit. This can contain both medicine, dummy medicine, and also dummy device. Especially when it is a dummy device, it is called sham. So basically, the kits are classified into test kits and control kits. These control kits are again classified into active control and placebo control. Based on the inventory type, the kits are classified into discrete kits and bulk kit. Bulk kits. What is a discrete kit? The kit that is mapped with the kit ID, and the kit ID is mapped with the kit type, and these are present in the kit list. So it is a discrete kit. Discrete kit is always associated with a kit ID. These are also known as uniquely numbered kits. These contain a number. These can be used in a blinded study or an open label study, but To blind a study, you have to definitely use discrete kits only. Bulk kits cannot be used for blinding the study. So if you want to maintain the blind, you have to use the discrete kits. So there is a misconception that discrete kits has to be used only in blinded study. No, they can be used both in blinded study and open label study. In a blinded study, if you want to blind the study, they can be used as blinded kits. In an open label study, they can be used as open label kits. Even in a blinded study, they can be used as open label kits. Then what is a bulk kit? The bulk kit is not associated with a kit id. These are also known as non uniquely numbered kits. So these are always expressed in the form of a kit type or lot id and quantity. So if you want to give a bulk kit to a subject, you have to say uh, give this kit type from this lot and this much of quantity. So this is always, this can be used both in blinded study and also open label study, but this cannot be used in for blinding the study. For blinding the study, you have to definitely use only discrete kits, not the bulk kits. But you can be used, these can be used as a open label kits both in blinded study and also unblinded study, but these cannot be used for maintaining the blind. For maintaining the blind, you have to use only discrete kits, not the bulk kits. Based on blinding, kits are classified into blinded kits and open label kits. The kits, what are blinded kits? These kits can be dispensed to the subject, still blinding can be maintained. Okay, so if you want to maintain the blind, you have to use the blinded kits. Blinded kits are always discrete kits, so they cannot, we cannot use uh, bulk kits for maintaining the blind. What are open label kits? The open label kits, if they are given to the subject, blinding cannot be maintained. Okay, what are the open label kits? For open label kits, both discrete kits and also bulk kits can be used. A clinical interactive response system should be able to maintain all the varieties of the kits. What are these kits? Test kits, control kits, active control, placebo control, bulk kits, discrete kits, or open label kits, blinded kits. So if you have any problems with these kind of kits in your existing interactive response system, or if you want to build a new interactive systems or update an existing interactive systems with all these concepts, feel free to contact us, me or my team. Thank you.